Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn about the ideal and most effective solution that allows you to significantly save battery life and efficiently activate the low power mode on your iPhones, ensuring extended usage throughout your day. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So you simply open the default settings app that is available on all iPhones. Open it as usual, then scroll down a bit and look for the option labeled battery. If your mobile phone device is currently set to another language, please remember the specific icons and precise locations you will need to navigate to. Now, I will simply proceed to tap right here, and then this particular interface will subsequently appear, as you can clearly see. So you simply need to enable this important option, which is clearly labeled as low power mode. I will go ahead and proceed to enable this very useful option. And you can thoroughly read this informative article as you see it presented here on the screen. And if you want to turn off low power mode, you can simply pull down the notification bar from the very top of your screen, and you can easily control this button without going into the settings. Personally, I frequently use this incredibly useful feature to help conserve overall battery consumption and extend the life of my device. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some truly important iPhone tutorials that you will undoubtedly find to be exceptionally useful and genuinely enjoyable. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.